What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another Chopper Spy Cat update. Let's jump into this quick, do an update, and then get into some behind the scenes. Right now, I've got about a month's worth of social media content built up. I wish I had more, but I might have bit off. I didn't bite off more than I can chew, but I did take a big bite. All the different characters have social media accounts, and then they have content that goes on those accounts that it helps extend the story and the contest. And I want to make sure I have enough banked up so I'm not stressed out each week trying to push it out. I think next week I can push the trailer out, which will have the release date on it. That's how close I think I am. So let's jump into a behind the scenes and let's do fun with masks. And what is a mask, you might ask? Well, a mask is a shape, and anything inside the shape is visible. Anything outside the shape is hidden. And why might you want to use a mask, you ask? Well, let's get into it. I do it for all sorts of things, but here's one reason. I can make a 3D looking planet and I can make it look like it's rotating. And how do you do that? Well, let's jump into it. And I'm going to go over all the different layers. And you're looking at this going, well, that looks insane. And you're not wrong. It does look a little crazy. Let's turn off all the layers and go one by one. First, I like to have a glow, kind of a light glow behind the planet. The next layer is the planet itself. It's Earth, so it's blue for water. And you hit, the light source hits right here, and then it kind of has a shadow by the other side. The next one is the land, so I just drew out the map. And then the next one is the mask, and that's the shape. It's the same shape as the planet right over there. I'm going to turn that one off really quick and then show you the shadow. So again, the light source hits here. It kind of gradiates and kind of darkens the land there. Now, if I go all the way to the end here, I can show you that all I did was take the land and move it that way. So if I tween this, you'll see that it's just moving. That's all it's doing. So now this is where the mask comes into play. I just take this layer and I right click this, say mask, boom, lock the layers, and now all the land inside the mask is visible. All the land outside the mask is hidden. So when I hit play, it kind of looks like Earth is rotating. And that's it. There you go. Fun with masks. For those of you who are following, much appreciated. For those of you that are new, my name is Jay, and I'm working on a cartoon I call Chopper, Intergalactic Spy Cat. This channel is updates in progress as I work towards finishing season 1, and I am this close. I think next week I will release the trailer. So until then, let's talk soon.